Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a product that promises to be your ultimate companion in pruning and trimming. The Amylove 24 PCs Garden, Shears. If you're serious about gardening or simply enjoy keeping your plants tidy and healthy, these shears might just be the best flower cutters you can find on the market today. Let's find out why. Let's start with what you get in the package. The Amylove garden shears come in a set of 24 pieces, divided into straight blade and bypass blade types. This diversity ensures you have the right tool for various pruning tasks, whether it's delicate flower stems or slightly thicker branches. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these shears are built to last. The blades are sharp and durable, designed specifically for cutting stems and light branches up to 1 by 3 inch in diameter. Perfect for your gardening needs. One of the standout features of these shears is their versatility. Whether you're trimming flowers, pruning herbs, or even harvesting fruits, these shears handle it all with ease. They're also ideal for tasks like bonsai trimming or indoor plant maintenance. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, with handles suitable for both left and right-handed gardeners. Plus, there's a safety lock mechanism to keep the shears securely closed when not in use, preventing any accidents. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener, having the right tools can make all the difference. The Amylove garden shears not only perform exceptionally well but also come at a reasonable price point compared to similar products in the market. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your gardening tools or simply want a reliable set of shears that can handle any pruning task you throw at them, the Amylove 24 PCs Garden shears are a fantastic choice. With their sturdy build, sharp blades, and ergonomic design, they truly stand out as some of the best flower cutters available today. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products that make a difference. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!